What's up, my beautiful people? So today we are gonna cook some Jamaican rundown, some saltfish rundown. Yeah, real Jamaican thing. So I'll cook some saltfish rundown with some dumpling and green banana. So yeah, so we have to season them with sweet pepper and tomato. Have the saltfish. Everything here, so we'll cut up night. So we just get into it quick and fast. I get with coconut them cut up and blend up, and then we get back. So we just get them coconut here cut up. So now we throw with coconut, then we're gonna strain this directly to our pot that we're going to be doing our rundown. So we're gonna strain this directly to the pot. So here I have it, our freshly blended coconut milk. That freshly blend, nice rich coconut milk. So we're just gonna get this on now to start boiling. So we're just gonna allow our coconut milk to boil. So when it starting to make oil, that's when we're gonna go in now with our seasoning. We're gonna start to season it up. When it going down and starting to make oil, that's when we're gonna starting to season up our pot. So just I get to season them cut up. I just cut up or season them. So this is our seasoning for our rundown. This is our pepper, tomato, onion, scallion. Yeah, this is for our season for our rundown. So guys, now we see that oil. You can see that oil on the top. So now it's starting to make oil. So we're just gonna go in with our seasoning. Onion, tomato, pepper, sweet pepper, garlic. Just gonna go in with it. We're gonna give this a little time. Give these a little time to cook. Then we're gonna go in with our saltfish. Yes guys, this is everything is going on now. So now that our season has been cooking for some minutes now, we're going with our saltfish. Yeah. So guys, you see all of that just come together now. You're getting the real rundown look, you know. So everything come together now. all that seasoning, the coconut flavor and everything come together. Yes guys. So there you have it guys. Rundown, saltfish rundown. Yeah. Natural coconut. This is it guys. Real Jamaican rundown. You can just set the whole combination of everything, the coconut milk, while done with everything, all the ingredients. It's just smelling lovely. That is it guys. Saltfish rundown. Jamaican style. So guys, we don't know. I can put it on a plate. You know, let's see it guys. Look. Okay, this is so good. The center one of this is amazing. I will put it on a plate. You see it look. So guys, we're gonna share out our coconut rundown now. We're gonna share that back right into a coconut shell. Right back into a coconut shell, guys. Yeah. Yeah. So yes guys, this is it. Our coconut rundown with saltfish. So delicious. Guys, this is so good. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell so you can get notified anytime I drop these videos.